Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Canva app on your mobile device. First, download the free Canva app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account using your email or social media, or simply log in if you already have one. The home screen is your starting point, offering a vast array of templates and design categories to spark your creativity. Now, let's create your first design. Canva offers thousands of professional templates across many categories, from Instagram stories to business cards. Simply tap on a category that suits your needs, then browse and select a template you like. Once you've chosen, you can easily customize every aspect. Tap on text boxes to change words, tap on images to replace them, and adjust colors with just a few taps to match your brand or personal style. Beyond templates, Canva empowers you to fully customize your designs. You can add new elements by tapping the plus icon, choosing from text, images, videos, or graphics. Explore Canva's vast library of millions of stock photos and illustrations, many of which are free to use. Easily resize, rotate, and position elements with your fingers. You can also apply filters to images, adjust their transparency, and arrange layers to achieve the perfect visual hierarchy. Once your masterpiece is complete, saving and sharing is incredibly simple. Tap the download icon to save your design directly to your mobile device's photo gallery. You can choose from popular formats such as JPG for web use, PNG for transparent backgrounds, or PDF for print. Additionally, Canva allows you to share your design directly to social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook with just a couple of taps, making it easy to showcase your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.